Hello. In this lesson, let's tackle the types of our withPageWrapper, which currently can't provide us with an authorized user. Right now, we only store a user in the context, and it's unclear whether they are authorized. I want our withPageWrapper to be able to do this, so in the end, we'll get something like this. That is, in setProps, an additional helper, getAuthorizedMe, that returns the authorized me. And if I'm not authorized there, it throws an error, and withPageWrapper shows us the known error that this page is for authorized users only. All right, let's now apply this to our page wrapper. Okay, well, we are doing it similarly to what we've already done. Let's create a specific error, getAuthorizedMe error. Then let's take a look at our types setPropsProps, which we pass into setProps, namely these ones. And we need to add this function, getAuthorizedMe there. All right, let's add it, and it will have the following type. GetAuthorizedMe can accept a message that we will specify on the resulting error page. Can return non-nullable from arc.context. If we don't remember, in abShowRetent, send NEA, which is returned from the Delta P company getMe, and can be null or an authorized user. But thanks to one, when the enome is nullable, there will be exactly the value that is not null. Right now, it's either null there, but at the output here, it turns out, well, generally non-nullable. Okay, now having defined the types, we need to add the code. Unlike these functions that we could define at the top level, we have to declare the getAuthorizedMe function inside the PageWrapper component itself, because that's where the context is, and we'll take me from the context. Let's add it here. Yes, it will be like this. GetAuthorizedMe function, all according to the types. And if in the context I am not there, meaning I equal null, then I am unauthorized, so we throw this getAuthorizedMe error that we just declared right here. Okay, and then we will also pass this function into the props of our setProps. Got it passed, so now, left. Only need to add a check to see if this error occurred. In other words, maybe right here we called setProps. Inside them we called getAuthorizedMe, and it threw an error. If it threw an error specifically of type getAuthorizedMe error, we will show error page component. Error page component with authorized only title, which we specified here, and the error text we passed either in this function or the default one set in authorized only message. All right, so let's check that it's still working. Here's our profile editing page, and it opens successfully if we're authorized. And if we were unauthorized and tried to access it, it would throw an error. And our types are set, so we always know that me is an authorized user. This is a small improvement of the page wrapper. Writing it initially was harder than gradually improving it. So, if you have your own ideas on what you need to add for your project, please do so. This will only benefit you. Thank you, everyone. Let's move on.